What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Road to Pro-Am. Today we got a real special one for you guys. We're gonna be installing brand new FDF angle kit. It's gonna be absolutely unreal. This kit is so amazing here. We got this one side already done up. It looks awesome. So let's get right to it. So to get this caster arm off here,
make it symmetrical.
You have to pull the subframe brace off.
Right quick.
And to get that off, you need to get all those bolts under there. It's pretty easy.
You still have another intro?
There's no chronological order to vlogging, alright? Anyways, it's pretty easy to get the subframe brace off, right, JC?
My name is Sully. My name is Sully. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Borat.
My name is Sully.
Hello.
Give paw. Give paw.
Well, why isn't that side coming like that?
Because you missed it. Did you guys get the bolt on that side?
Did I? Well, I put my finger in there.
I literally, it's right there. You killer.
Where?
The bolt? Is the bolt
There's
still
another
on?
ball.
So this is how easy it is to take the subframe brace off. There you go.
YouTube magic.
Oh no, that's not YouTube magic. That was actual work.
Nice, I like.
So first off, you got to start taking apart everything on here, but I highly recommend you spray some type of lubricant on here. You know, all this shit is super old and rusty, so we got to get it all off, and it takes quite a bit. Let's get at her.
And you just go whatever you see and
Yeah, pretty much any bolt you see on here, you just rip her off. It's super straightforward. Look at that, those were pre-loosened.
Oh, what the fuck? What, did you loosen?
It must've. So next thing, JC's gonna remove the caliper bracket here with this giant breaker bar. Look at that.
Whoa. Go.
There you go. Easy.
Almost too easy.
Well, what is it?
19. Nope.
17?
Yeah.
Nope.
I didn't do that.
Ready?
Yep. Whoa! That'll work. We're stuck.
Whoa. That was impressive.
That'll do. You like that one-handed too?
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh,
Did it fall in the crack?
no, very close, very close. Yeah, so if nobody knows, usually you could put an Allen key in here and then use a wrench to loosen the 17 off. But what we just discovered, you can put your 17 on here, and I'm pretty sure that's a 19 on the other side.
I put a 3/4.
3/4? 3/4 works, dude. Put your wrench on that side, just whoop, and that will come right off. Easy. You'll save a lot of time. Guarantee that's gonna be stuck in there because it.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, it's stuck. I hate these things so much.
Gutter pins?
Yes, they're brutal. It'll come. Watch.
Oh, I think you fucked it up good.
No. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I fucked it up. Once you get all this junk off, the rest is really fun. I promise. There you go.
Hey! I just broke your screwdriver.
What?
Victory.
So now what you gotta do is you gotta take that little piece off so you can put a ginormous wrench around there and unscrew it. So if you're having troubles getting this out, the tie rod out, just put the nut back on it and just give it a schwack. Come right out, right?
Yeah. Right moment of Bremen working.
I'm always working, man.
Ooh, look
Easy.
at you go.
Very easy. Look at that. Boom!
Boom!
So now that we got the tie rod pulled out, we can access that nut a lot easier. Way easier.
Wanna grab that in?
No.
Okay.
The upper control arm bolts are out. A little something like that. Look at that.
Alright.
Alright.
Give it.
Watch yourself. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
Christ.
Okay, oh, there you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Here we are. Look at this.
Alright, give her.
Oh shit, the sway bar link.
Oh, that's what I keep telling you.
Well, it's gotta come out now. That's not coming out, is it? It's beyond me why that is stuck in there.
Shouldn't be.
Well, guys, unfortunately, that's all the time we have for tonight. So, hopefully, tomorrow we can get that sway bar link out. I kind of screwed that up, so let's hope we can figure out something for that. And in the meantime, I don't know what to say.
Oh! Guard dog. Fight me.
Alright guys, so we're back at it again here today. First thing we gotta deal with is, yeah, look at that. We gotta get this end link out of this lower control arm. And I think I might just remove the sway bar altogether. Some guys say they do fine without it, and some people can't drive without it, so I guess that's something I'll have to find out for myself. But I didn't thread this on far enough and I hit it with the hammer and kind of made an absolute mess of it, so we gotta try and get that off and then we'll go from there. That was easy. Now I don't think we're gonna be able to hammer that out of there, so I might just take off the whole sway bar with the whole assembly attached and just say screw it. There you have it. She's out. All of it. Looking very plain in there. I forgot to mention, with this FDF Fab angle kit, there's actually a little slot so you can run the factory sway bar. It just caused me a little bit of issue, so I decided to I might just do without it. So I guess we'll see how it drives without it. The front end should be stiffened up enough with the solid motor mounts, angle kit. It's gonna be caged. This thing's gonna be nice and solid anyways. So now it looks like we're ready to start the install on the other side. I'm just gotta wait a little bit till Blake gets here. Just an extra helping hand. So I'd like to take a couple minutes to thank FDF for sending this so fast. Came in, didn't take that long to get in actually. And the quality of work on this angle kit is absolutely unreal. Looks awesome. It's beautiful. I highly recommend you guys go check out their website and plan on buying one of these. They They hold up, they're nice and strong, they have their proper fail points. I think it's gonna be an awesome kit. I know a few people who run this kit, and they've got nothing bad to say about it, so go check it out. So finally Blake showed up. Blake's gonna start assembling the kit before we put it in the car. It makes it a lot easier. Yeah.
So you take this majigger thing that looks sweet as hell. You take this right here and you stick around there with that.
It's done.
Yeah, just like that.
Well, don't put that together yet.
Why? Are we gonna put it on top?
Well, later.
Why?
You put the upper control arm in the car first. It makes it easier. So it's real awkward. I think this is the right way.
Yeah, you can.
Most of the threads are reverse threads for adjustability, I guess. It just makes it weird to deal with, but boom.
So next thing we're gonna do here.
Hey!
Hey, you have $20. Come have it.
No, it's for a giveaway. Oh, it's a great segue. Hey, so we're doing a giveaway.
What are we doing?
The giveaway for a t-shirt.
Oh, I dodged shameless
T-shirt. $100.
$100.
And 5 stickers to the winner, so...
What's the deal here? What do they gotta do?
We're not sure. You like money? Oh yeah, you do! Greedy son of
It's cool.
Ah! We're giving you $100! A shirt! And some sticker! All you have to do is you to go like our page Instagram! You go like that post! And you share it with tagging us! You could win! All that money! That t-shirt and those stickers!
Yeah, we'll figure that out.
Figure that out. We'll post it probably on the 21st-ish? 21st?
Yeah, it'll be a good Christmas gift.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. All right, back to this. So let's get this installed.
Okay.
Let's install
We're
this
gonna
first.
take this thing right here, okay, guys? We're gonna stick her in the hole. So up in the top here, right where your coilover goes. Sorry for my bad English, because I'm tired.
We're gonna have to. We're gonna install the upper control arm first, because that'll make it easier to hang all the components from it. We're gonna get mechanic Blake here. He's on the job tonight, so this will get done real
I'm always
fast.
on the job.
So while Blake is messing around with that, we'll put this here on the caster and lower control arm.
So weird because it's reversed.
For the caster arm, you just slide that sleeve on first,
And
then the caster arm,
You can send them to me and I can print them tomorrow.
and that should go together just like boom.
Sometimes it's, don't freak out if it doesn't fit, because it usually never does. You have to mess around a little bit.
Just for fitment purposes, we're gonna thread this on anyways, but usually the subframe brace would go there. Currently that's off. We'll get that straightened up after.
Oh, look at that. See, boys? That's how you do it.
Easy as that.
Don't be a Blake and forget these.
Forget what?
Don't forget these.
Yes, very important.
So they go between here, go inside of here like this, and inside here like this. And they love to just run around and hide on them. So when you do get your kit, don't undo the zip ties that zip tie these things together, because they just love to walk away and it's not fun trying to find them. And then if you actually lose them, then you just can't drift because you don't have anything to drift. Like me, don't drift because you hit poles.
What size is that?
This is a 19mm socket, grade 8 bolt, you know.
And you just send it.
Just send it.
So it makes your life a lot easier if you put this in the lower control arm first.
Yeah, because then you wouldn't be able to do it anyway. Hey JC, speed this up.
Nice coilover. So I don't know if it's a recommendation or it's just, I don't know,
Good measure.
good measure. to put Loctite on thy bolt that goes into the rack.
Hey, Doug.
Well, that's a waste of $5.
Raymond. I think your dog's broken.
Why? What? There. Tie rod is in. Now we just gotta tighten everything up and we should be ready to go, I think. So now we're gonna try and get the subframe brace on, and I think the easiest way to do that with all this help is to use a jack, probably. Boom, just like that. Subframe brace is back on. No problem, easy, eh?
Yeah, so easy. So easy that Jesse could do it.
Do is tighten everything up, put the rotor and caliper back on, and then the moment of truth. Eh?
Yep.
So now we're pretty much all tightened up. Easy peasy. Don't take very long. Once we're all finished here, we're gonna adjust the tie rods as best as we can to get the wheel straight, and then go from there. I'll see what alignment shop will even begin to try to align this, because I don't know. If someone's good at aligning, hit me up. Give me a hand.
We might need to actually bend the piece inside and then bend everything, push everything in.
These are big tires, man.
Too big. So JC wasn't lying, we got the full kit installed and it all back on the ground tonight. It's looking pretty good. We still have a lot of adjustment to do. We have a little bit of hammering and whatnot left to do to get the full angle, but it's pretty good. What do you think about that, JC?
Do you like angle?
Do you like angle?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Would you like to say anything to camera, JC?
Buy our shirt?
Buy our merch. Buy our merch.
This big fucking vlog merch.
Anyways, I'd like to give a big shout out to FDF Fab for sending in this kit, giving a pretty good discount for Black Friday, and you gotta hit them up. They make awesome kits, great quality. Anyways.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I'm in repeat.